Well, I'm getting ready to cook breakfast this morning, and I thought I would show you my kitchen setup, how I cook when I'm bringing the trailer. It's really pretty simple. Well, this is my cook box. It's got everything I need to cook with. It's got my stove, 2-burner stove, cutting board, coffee pot. I've got some spices. I've got a little bag here that I keep lights. In fact, I've got this light mounted to the trailer now. It's what I use to light up the area when I'm cooking at night. Bugaboo cook set. It's got all the pots and pans. I've got a utensil set, and then this is a knife set my wife just got me, and I like it so far. And then this little toaster, I can make toast with that. But other than a few odds and ends, I think I got some soap and a sponge there. That's pretty much my cook set. I'm gonna get everything out and start cooking. I'm starting with coffee, and I'll kind of show you how my workflow goes. This is how I do water on almost any trip. Dometic Go faucet, and I've got the 3-gallon jug. 5 liter, 3 gallons. But this is how I do water. It's got a magnetic base, so it sticks right to the trailer, and it's convenient. It's right here. I don't have to go very far to get water. This is the GSI Bugaboo cook set. I have a full review video on this cook set, so if you're interested in it, you can check that video out. But it really comes with everything you need to cook with. I forgot plates on this trip, and it's got, pull this out, it's got some small plates down there, and I use those on this trip. So and it normally comes with, these are cups and bowls. It comes with 4. It's really a setting for 4. But I removed 2 of those so I could put this little compact utensil set in. And this is the GSI utensil set, and it's also a place setting for 4. I've removed some things to make it a little more compact, but this has got everything I need utensil wise. Well, I think coffee's pretty much done. I'm gonna set it over here so those loose grounds will settle to the bottom. And I'm gonna get my toaster out and we'll make some toast. Well, this is my little toaster. I've had it for a really long time, and it'll do 4 pieces of bread at one time, and it's really more efficient when you have 4 pieces on there. But it'll brown the bread, and it's pretty neat to have regular toast at camp sometimes. Well, I usually feed Dolly what I eat, so she'll eat bacon and eggs this morning. And I've got my daughter's dog Millie with me this weekend, so both dogs get bacon and eggs too. This is my spice bag. I just have a few basic spices in it. There's a red garlic. You can see it's seen better days. And then here's is just an all-purpose seasoning for burgers, steaks, salmon, stuff like that. And I'll just knock that off. And then salt and pepper. I keep my salt and pepper in there too. Bacon. Well, that's my camp kitchen. It's nothing fancy. It's pretty simple. It seems to be very efficient, and it's good for cooking for myself or when my wife comes along. 1 to 2 people, I think it's perfect. Well, I'm going to eat. We need to break camp before it rains, and then we're going to pull out of here. Thanks for watching.